So it's 1 big hour till the mountain, 1 hour walk in the city, and then let's go. I'm tired. My friend was not ready for this kind of trip, so I left him behind, but he has the GPX. He's only 18, so that's normal. And I'm sweating a lot, but I'm not that tired, I promise. 2,000 meters, yeah, I'm out there. No, I found some, how do you call that? Baton, wand. I found some wand. No, wand is for the sorcerer. I found that and it's super useful, really super useful. Maybe it's the wrong way, but it's the best wrong way. Oh. Woo-hoo! I'm so close to the clouds. It's good. Good.